Well, I might as well do a video of it working, I figured. I can only do 10 minutes at a time for uploading for some reason. I think it's because I just do it off my phone. I don't know. We're only a couple miles from town, but we don't have any options for internet besides phone, really. I ain't paying. Satellite stuff they limit, so it's, what the hell's the point of that? Anyways, so I'll just do 2 videos. I think I got, I don't know, maybe I should pull the back down now. Oh yeah, the back's gotta go down more. I made it so this one was run loose for a long time, so the threads are messed up. Otherwise I got this bottom thing kind of floats. I adjust it. Actually there's a lot of adjustment, because I can go just the way you want it. You can tighten it, tweak it that way, up and down, back and forth, side to side. But I think I'm gonna adjust this back one back a little bit. Where my wrench went, 3/4 inch. So that'd be, let's see, we want, let's see, we have to tighten that one. Loosen this. The unloader valve is kind of messed up too on this, so I don't know. Never owned. The unloader valve was, I think that was damn near $100. And the gauge. And adjust the pressure on this. Originally I had these quick coupler things set up like an air connector thingy, but the rubber gaskets rotted out, so last time I used it I just manually screw this hose in. It's unscrew, it's just finger tight, but oh yeah. See, this motor, I don't remember if I said it on the last video, but I used to have it, it was off a Dynamark little lawn tractor. It had like a 3-speed transmission on it. I don't know. As a kid, when I was messing around with it, and I would change the pulleys around on it, so it, I think, went probably 20-25 miles an hour. That was pretty fun. Get some funny looks. So I'd drive it down, you know, a little town in Minnesota at the time. Drive it to my buddy's house, and me and that motor go way back. The only thing I did to it was, I think I had to put a new coil on it. That was part of the $1,100 on this pressure washer build. It was ran good up until then. I went to, like, after the test run, I went to start it again. There was no spark, so I think that was like $40-50. And then the starter I had to replace a long time ago. That was a used starter, it's probably about the same age. Otherwise, yeah, thing's been way over revved and everything. Still runs good. Although I don't think there's a ton of hours on it, but the ones I put on it were kind of hard. But I'm gonna be able to get this tracking better. I bought a new belt, but I don't really want to use it unless I have to. I think it was like $30 freaking. What the hell? Seems a little excessive for a belt. That was with a discount too. From Napa. Maybe that's why. Let's see if that looks straighter. And maybe just a... Wait a second. Actually, that looks pretty straight now. Just do another teeny bit. I don't know if this belt will stay on. Hopefully it will. Originally when I made it, I didn't realize I couldn't turn that I was gonna mount that pump sideways, so it'd just be a straight belt. I didn't realize you couldn't turn that pump on that side when I bought it, so then I kind of had a wrench in my plan originally. Then I remember seeing a setup with the right angle belt bend on that old Cub Cadet that I was just working on. But I think it would have been a little more helpful to have, these probably aren't really the right pulleys for this, because maybe get some that tracked a little better. Well, maybe if I had a little bit more room too between the stuff. I know they got those pulleys that are like, you stick up higher, so the belt probably rubs on the side a little bit, but yeah, whatever. If I don't need to use the belt, I'll probably return it, and then still like that idea of putting it on that thing. That'd be sweet. But I'm gonna wheel her outside. Actually, I'll probably put that fitting on, or that hose on first, then wheel it outside, and I'll be back. Well, it wasn't supposed to rain today, but it's been raining the whole day. Oh, I gotta turn the water on. I'll just maybe hopefully rinse those mowers off quick and oh, okay. Let's see. Bill usually gets pretty nervous. It'll probably be a two-hand job here. Pretty cool. That 10-horse really works hard on this. See, on motor valves working today, usually you can see it pop out. Maybe. Up there, it didn't work that time. Oh, now it stopped working. It's sticky, I don't really use it enough, but well, frickin' rain. Luckily I got some stuff burnt earlier today. Had a couple of storms go through here, so. Anyways, that'll probably be the end of the pressure washer videos. Well, at least that one. I'll probably do something when I get that. When I figure out what I'm gonna do with that, but. Yeah, I'm kind of looking for a Bridgeport mill now. That'd probably be useful for making that pressure washer stuff. But anyways, thanks for watching.